Okay folks, today what I have here is a 2006 Ford F-150 STX 4x4 with 109,000 original miles. This is a two-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax. It's very nice, comes with our zero deductible extended service contract, good for 3 months, 3,000 miles. It's an extended cab four-door, bed liner, tires are like new. This truck drives and runs down the road. Very nice, it's not all rotted away. It's only $89.95. We take all forms of payments and trades. And if you need help with financing, no matter what your situation is, we can also help with that. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, doesn't matter. As long as you have a job and a down payment, we can get it taken care of. Come check this truck out. You know, most of these trucks are all rotted away. This vintage, this is from out of state. It's not 100% rust-free, but it's pretty darn close. Come check it out at Tempest Motors. Thanks for looking.